Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the CEYOMUR Solar Trail Camera. Ooh, up to 4K 30 frames are possible. This CEYOMUR Wi-Fi Bluetooth 40 megapixel cam is really awesome because it comes with 3 energy supply possibilities. The first is the built-in battery pack, which you can reload via micro USB cable. The second one is the battery pack, what we can install by ourselves. That means we can attach AA batteries into it. And the third way is the solar power. That means a solar system. So if it is outside, the sun will reload the battery inside. Call 120 degrees detection angle with night vision, with motion activated, IP66 waterproof. That's for the wildlife monitoring with U3 32GB micro SD card. And this micro SD card you can replace to a bigger one, no problem for it. This solar trail camera has a built-in 4400 mAh rechargeable battery, and it can be powered by the top-mounted solar panel. It reduces the battery consumption while protecting the environment, and with the additional battery pack supplying a secondary power source. Wow, the battery life is impressively long because of this. And 40 megapixel pictures are possible, and 4K 30 frames filming is possible. All subjects filmed are crystal clear and distinct. Also with the premium optical lens and an advanced image sensor and 2 cutting-edge large 850 nm low glow LEDs. This trail camera captures amazing nighttime wildlife moments with clear and vivid details. The format in video is MP4 and the format in photo is JPEG. We're using the camera's Wi-Fi, for example. We can directly view the content on the app. The app is the Game Camera Pro app. And we can download them into our phone without needing to take down the solar trail camera, of course. And we can go into our phone without needing to take down the solar trail camera and connect a cable, for example. We can also easily adjust the settings, length, angle, share on social media, etc. That's all possible from our phone. Of course, we will need a Wi-Fi connection for it. And the Wi-Fi connection is limited to 33 feet because it is an ad hoc network. And we were built with 3 sensitive PIR sensors. This trail camera can capture wildlife in just 0.1 seconds when the motion is detected. The 2 PIR side sensors can be turned on or off in the menu. For the game camera can be adjusted if we prefer a PIR sensor range of 60 degrees. Easily customize the sensor options depending on our style and habit too. And this solar trail camera supports a micro memory card up to 256 GB, allowing us to take more pictures and videos. And it comes with an included 32 GB micro SD card. This is pre-installed in the card slot. The CY95 is also IP66 waterproof certified with rubber lining sealing the internal components from severe weather or cold, even in temperature between -4 degrees Celsius and up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. You see, CEYOMUR makes a good job here. Because CEYOMUR is specialized in researching and developing powerful, professional and practical outdoor image products. It is committed to provide high quality, trustworthy and affordable digital imaging solutions. And It will always adhere to the people-oriented concept and provide customers like us with high-end products and professional services. With CEYOMUR, we think what we want. That's awesome. And we have so many possibilities which we can use with that trail camera over here. In the box, there is the trail camera, of course. We have a wall mount. We have a USB cable. We have a mounting belt. And if we look at the front side of the device, we have the solar panel on the top side. Then the locking latch, two of them on the side, an indicated light, a light sensor, and lens in the center, infrared LEDs, right, left, and the PIR sensors. You can see everything is there where we need it. On the back side, if we open the device, we have the battery door to attach additional batteries into it. We have a speaker. We have the playback and settings button, a Wi-Fi app button, a video right button, a photo left button, down and OK. With that buttons, we can old school navigate between the menus, and we can perform the setup by the buttons. That's a possibility to control this device too. And with a mode switch, the first center is off. Then we go in the center. This is the setup button, and then on. After we switched on, it will goes on after 5 seconds, and then it will work. Then we have an LCD screen, and we can see what's happening there. Of course, the camera is completely off if we switch it off. Only in this mode we can unplug the memory card and replace the batteries, okay? If we go to the setup mode, we adjust the settings. We can manually record videos, take photos, playback the record files, or change the settings. Then, in the setup mode, the PIR sensors are on. When they are triggered, light indicator will flash, but the camera will not take the photo or record video automatically. And then, when the switch goes to the on area, that starts the operation. The screen display will turn off in 5 seconds and the button operation will be disabled. When detecting animals or other moving object, it will take photos and records videos when the PIR sensor is triggered. Then we return to standby automatically. We must switch to on position after we have finished the settings on the setup position. Otherwise it will be not record videos or take photos automatically. So think about this, okay? But you can handle this. On the bottom side, we have the TF card slot, the USB port to recharge, the charging light, and the reset button. Then, on the screen, we can see photo or video mode. These are two icons. One is a camera, the other is a movie camera. We can see the micro SD card status and the photo or the video resolution we can see on the screen. And then remaining capacity for the numbers of photos or the length of the video recording that the camera can store. We can see that the solar charging icon means there is reloading or nothing has happened with it. Then, of course, we see the battery % display and date and time, of course. For power supply, charging is possible to a micro USB cable and an AC adapter. Then we open the battery door if we like and install 4 AA batteries. Then we insert a micro SD card and we make a setup. That's really easy. And then we can choose between the modes: PIR interval, PIR sensitivity, time-lapse on or off, loop recording, IR LED, low battery at night, no shutting or no IR LED, monitoring periods, and so many more. Record audio is possible too. Video length we can adjust, language we can adjust. Then we can switch on and off the Wi-Fi. We can choose a Wi-Fi password. We can tell the cam the auto Wi-Fi off or on, auto power off, and the backlight. Then we have to mount the camera on the on the tripod, on the one part. It is an hub for it, and then we can look and have fun. If it is better to control this device by the Wi-Fi, it's cool too because you can use your smartphone. You have to download the app, of course. Then you go to activate the camera Bluetooth, and we connect the camera via Bluetooth. After this, we activate the camera Wi-Fi, and then we connect to Wi-Fi network. After this, we can open the app again, and then we can make the settings and setup on our amp too. That's cool. But there's more. We can download the videos from the cam to our smartphone. You can see it's really awesome to control and use this trail camera. This is the CY95 by CEYOMUR. It's an awesome camera system to make awesome pictures and videos from the outdoor, from the wildlife area, for example. Of course, you can attach it inside too and make videos there also possible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.